expertise. So just to give an idea of how this meeting went, here's a bit of it.